Our little snorer.
No, I just know a hopeless cause when I see it. The same reason I don't recycle once and for all.
Press mute on the TV, we'll hear it better.